How to solve basic arithmetic problems using multiplication. To solve 25 times 7, start by multiplying the digit in the ones place of 25, which is 5, by 7. So 5 times 7 is equal to 35. Write down 5 and carry over the 3 to the next column. Now multiply the digit in the tens place of 25, which is 2, by 7. So 2 times 7 is equal to 14. Add the carried over 3 to 14, which is 14 plus 3 equals 17. Write 17 in front of the 5. So the final answer is 175. To solve 36 times 12, start with the digit in the ones place of 12, which is 2. Multiply 2 by 6, ones digit of 36, so 2 times 6 equals 12. Then write down 2 and carry over 1. Multiply 2 by 3, tens digit of 36, so 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Add the carried over 1 to get 7. So the first partial product is 72. Now move to the tens digit of 12, which is 1, actually 10, and place a 0 under the ones place to shift left. Multiply 1 by 6, so 1 times 6 is equal to 6, and then 1 by 3. So 1 times 3 is equal to 3, giving the second partial product, which is 360. Add the two partial products. 72 plus 360 is equal to 432. Therefore, the final answer to 36 times 12 is 432. To solve 234 times 21, start by multiplying the ones digit of 21, which is 1, by 234. Multiply 1 times 4 is equal to 4, then 1 times 3 is equal to 3, and 1 times 2 is equal to 2, giving you 234. Next, multiply the tens digit of 21, which is 2, by 234. Multiply 2 times 4 is equal to 8. 2 times 3 is equal to 6, and 2 times 2 is equal to 4, giving 468, and write a 0 at the end to make it 4,680. Now add the two partial results, 234 and 4,680. The sum of 234 plus 4,680 is 4,914. Therefore, the final product of 234 multiplied by 21 is 4,914. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.